Great cooking class at Rose Kitchen Hanoi. Had an awesome time at Rose Kitchen. The team kept us updated on pickup times via WhatsApp, and Hazel, our host, was super fun and friendly. The class was in a beautiful area, and we even got to explore a local market before cooking. Hazel made everything easy to follow, and we learned some cool Vietnamese phrases too. The food was delicious, and we can't wait to try the recipes at home. Highly recommend this class if you're in Hanoi. The class was better than I expected. The market tour was great and the class itself was a delight. Our teacher Miss Hazel was a great instructor and was very accommodating as well. Highly recommended. Thumbs up emoji, thumbs up emoji, thumbs up emoji. Got picked up at our hotel and was first brought to a local market to buy ingredients where our guide, Aroma, showed us around and talked about the ingredients we were going to use. Then we were transferred to Rose Kitchen, an aesthetic and cozy cooking space. Aroma was patient in teaching us and we ended up with delicious food. My mom and I enjoyed our time and had lots of fun. The best cooking class I've taken and the perfect way to end our trip in Hanoi. The entire experience was fantastic. Our chef/instructor Hazel was awesome. She took care of us throughout, from picking us up personally from our hotel, to taking us to the wet market, and teaching us how to cook Vietnamese food. The atmosphere in the class was awesome as well. We were lucky because everyone was so kind and the food we made was delicious. Hazel also made sure to guide us so we wouldn't be lost. As someone who doesn't cook, I felt at ease during Hazel's class. Not only was it fun making the food but the food itself was so good. I ate so much. I felt like it was so worth the price we paid. We got an awesome class, transportation, recipes, and then eat the wonderful meal. Thank you Hazel. Would definitely come back one day. A truly unique experience. We were well looked after and instructed by our guide Aroma. She put a lot of effort into it and had a lot of fun introducing us to Vietnamese cooking. We would book again anytime.